look, it's driving this way. I've been noticing it, you know, and it's gonna park right under my office. It entered the garage. You see the dumpster moving? The white dumpster with 2 roller blades under it? Just ready to launch the attacks from there, you see? And as I'm filming, it ran away. It was supposed to park here, but since it's being filmed, it's running away. So they're gonna make another way here, you know, to get their shitty car parked here under my office. You see? It's coming, turning around here, and it's eventually coming here. Let's keep our camera. Look, where did it park? Right in front of my window, that dumpster. So they could launch attacks, you know? The electromagnetic field attacks. They usually carry them around in their trunks, so that's how they managed to attack them. Couldn't find a parking spot there, or it wasn't filmed, but then made its way here. So let's keep on moving, you know? We're gonna go until the restaurant. What do they do to me? Well, the dumpster launching its attacks, you know? It's 200 and something. See? It's a dumpster right there, you know, that's launching the attack. And it keeps going on and on. The dumpster attack, you know? You see? This is exactly their level of attack that they're launching at me. And when I'm filming them, you know, you see? They turn it off. You see? Alright, so I missed a spot here, you know, saying that I was recording that piece of shit car, you know, from the upstairs. The time I was leaving. And there you go, it's parked right there, you know, with its lights on. And let's see if this follows me, okay? Because there's the greatest possibility of the attacks, you know, the EMF attacks being launched from these cars. Specific one from the church, craps. And you see he's driving right there on the street, trying to flash his lights to me. This is the white car in front. And it's going to make its turn, you know, to the restaurant side, maybe. And then they have, you know, like their connections or etc. It's these fucking churches, people. The churches do this to people. Harass people. Intimidate people. You know, to get them in their shitty mind control system that they have. Now look, that car, you know, it's going to make turn there. And then it's going to drive away. And make turn back again to the side that I'm going. That's their technique, you know, that they're using to launch the attacks. The energy weapons that they have, you know, hidden in the cars, in the trunk. I got hit right now, I can tell. I got hit quickly right now. Let's see. Zombies, burpies. And the cars. Okay, so speaking of surprise, you see that piece of shit is already parked there. The exact car that was really right in front of the other car made a turn. That's what they do. Right now, that they're broadcasting inside the restaurant at me while I'm trying to have something to eat. They do it. You see? The cars park outside from the church, the pieces of shit churches, you know, and broadcasting their electromagnetics here inside the restaurant, you know, to the codification of, you know, nanoparticles or whatever the victim's body may have. So there you go. 418, and they turn it off, coward bastards. That's the way how it goes, buddies.